in pump industries, and this is a big run of Honda-powered Aussie drain cleaners. There's the famous Aussie Cobra drain cleaner, starting over here with pump motor groups, and this is big 5,000 psi machines. They go in these stainless steel frames, and then they go the whole thing together with the reels, etc. Oh, here's the operations manager, Hamish Lorenz. Hamish, what's happening here this morning?
We're in the middle, deep in the run of A-class 5,000 psi Aussie jetters. As you can see, they're powered by the Honda engine, 3-year warranty, and the big birdie pump. We've seen that the A-class machines have really taken off, and we have a big run going through now with most of these machines already pre-sold.
Okay, so why is it A-class? What's so important about that?
Because you don't need the certification to operate the machines.
Okay, so what happens when you've got a machine that isn't A-class? They may say be a bigger machine than these.
Well, yeah, but due to the Australian and New Zealand standards, it's required to have certification by an RTO, registered training authority, to operate the B-class machines.
Wow, okay. So what's so good about the Aussie jetters? Why are these so popular, and why are you building so many?
They're compact, they're high performance, and they're made of all quality components. Italian pumps, Honda engines, stainless steel frames, as you say, heavy duty hose
These are
reels.
big pumps.
Yeah, they're big pumps.
Why have they got all those fins on them?
That's for cooling. These machines work pretty hard, so they've got to last the test of time. A big crankcase and big fins for the cooling.
With the reels, I assume you put hose on those, they don't drain cleaner hose?
Certainly do, 60 metres of quarter-inch hose.
And these tradesmen, these are experts in their field, I gather. Is that right?
I'm an expert, yes.
Okay, well, at least you're modest. You're not too modest about it. That's good. And Michael, I understand you've been building these for a while now. Is that right?
Yeah.
How many do you reckon you've built? How many Cobras you've built? 1,000?
Yeah, 750. Is that about
What you're really saying is you can't remember, right? So Hamish, how many do you reckon of these Cobras you've Aussies built over the years?
The years were probably 4,000.
Okay, and would you say that these are popular in Australia or in other parts of the world as well? Are you
The most popular drain cleaning machine in Australia and internationally.
Okay, well, it's great to see these Class A's coming together. Stainless steel frames, is that a first for Australian pump?
We've been doing it for a while now. It's obviously, we incur an extra expense there when we're using the stainless steel frames, but we want to get the best out of the machine, and we want to give the best to our customers. So stainless steel as opposed to galvanized steel, it's just it's much nicer job.
Okay,
lasts longer.
So it's not just cosmetics.
Not just cosmetics, but I mean, look at it. They do look beautiful.
Well, they say beauty's in the eye of the beholder. Okay, now, by the way, fuel tanks go on these next, I guess, do they, after they're finished with the reels? What size fuel tank do they have?
15 litre.
Okay, is there a water tank on them?
Yeah, that also gets fitted. Stainless steel water tank.
Stainless steel?
Mm-hmm.
And what's that, what capacity is that?
30 litres.
Okay. What, 60 machines?
I think we've got 50 going through at the moment.
Right, okay.
And there'll be a second run of 30 machines coming through next week.
Okay, terrific. Okay, well, keep up the good work, boys. I understand you're doing a big favour to plumbers who are fed up with mechanical drain cleaning devices.
Yeah, well, these machines are so much more efficient and safer to use.
Are they?
Yeah.
I hear they're
And the
more
old
hygienic
mechanical.
too.
Yeah.
You don't get dirty.
Yeah, and you don't get bad backs from using these machines. The water does the work.
Look, I was watching the Drain Addict video the other day, and he said on that he's been using an Aussie jetter now for about 10 years, and that when he's up against anybody who's using a mechanical device, they're limited to 30 metres, whereas we can do 60 metres with the drain cleaner.
Yeah, well, you can even go 120 metres.
120 metres.
Yeah, when you put an extension hose on. He's quite mad, that guy, isn't he?
He's not mad, he's bad. No, he's phenomenal. The reason we love him is because all the tricks he knows, he shares with everybody else.
Yep.
He's a very unselfish guy, and he really knows what he's talking about. It's Oliver Parker, it is.
Parker.
Yeah, Drain Addict. Anybody
Yeah,
who's
I
watching,
know, he's very
this,
famous.
you need to watch Oliver's emails and YouTube as well. Okay, thanks again, guys.
All right.